How much do you love nature? Do you remember your first walk in a forest? Your first swim in the ocean? The first time you saw a wild animal? We all love nature. We all depend on nature. More than 40% of the world's oxygen comes from rainforests. 50% of chemical medicines are based on nature. 100% of our food comes from nature. Are we taking this for granted? We need nature to sustain us. IUCN, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, is the world's largest global environmental network created in 1948. Together, we're working in more than 160 countries for a just world that values and conserves nature. With over 1,000 staff, more than 1,200 member organizations, including governments and NGOs, and almost 11,000 volunteer scientists and experts. Together, we gather the latest knowledge on biodiversity, assessing the status of species, and protecting our natural wonders. We run hundreds of field projects around the world, such as managing water resources, restoring forests, protecting our coasts and oceans, and helping companies improve their environmental performance. We are nature's voice on the international stage. At the IUCN World Conservation Congress, at the United Nations General Assembly, at international environmental negotiations. By investing in solutions offered by nature, we can address today's global challenges. Together, we can stop the extinction of plants and animals, help fight climate change, restore natural resources, boost food security, and reduce poverty. When nature is healthy, our communities, economies, and countries prosper. Together, let's stand up for nature to create a better future for all of us. Join us now.